freckles. Faux freckles and natural freckles. Freckles. If you don't have natural freckles, for those of us who don't have freckles, or for people who have freckles but they just want them to show through their makeup so they don't really pile on the makeup or can't really wear a full face because they don't show through when they want them to, there is a fix for that. So I'm about to show you how to get some faux freckles. So if you are interested in this, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Today we are talking about freckles. It is fall time and I don't know why I compare freckles and fall, but for some reason it just goes together. I love avant-garde looks, and like I said, I did another video, and of course you're going to remember this makeup look because it is the same day, it is the same makeup look. I was inspired to do a look by Rawbeautykristi. She done this beautiful avant-garde fall look with oranges and purples and yellows, and I just wanted to make it more wearable. That is exactly what I did. So now I want to talk about freckles. Now, everybody could wear these. Everybody could do freckles on any kind of makeup look. I just think it is really fun and I love to do it. Now, you can do more natural, or you can actually make them look more prominent if you wanted to, or you can make them more dramatic. If you want to do them in color, you can. You most certainly can do that. Depending on the look, whatever you want. Most of the time, I try to match the hair color. Now, I always go 2 shades darker than the natural hair color or the hair color that you got right now. It don't matter if it's natural or not. So I always go 2 shades darker, and I usually just use an eyeliner pencil or a lip pencil. Now, you can use powders, you can use creams, you can use whatever you want to do these. Most of the time, if I'm using cream, a lot of times I like to go over top of that after I'm done with a little bit of setting powder just to make sure that the cream sets. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you want a really dramatic look, you can make glitter freckles if you want to. I mean, I've never tried that, but I think that'd be really fun. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. Because my hair is blonde, I am going to be using a reddish brown, a chestnut brown. Now I am going to be using this eyeliner pencil. Now this is the Almay, and it's in Black Brown 206. Now this is more like it's a darker brown, but of course I'm going to fade the freckles. I'm going to make them look more natural. And this is more of a taupey color, so I really do love that for blonde hair. Now let's just come in a little bit closer. Now what I'm going to do is, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to put them on perfect. They do not have to be perfect circles or anything. You might want to sharpen up your pencil just a little bit just to make sure that it actually leaves color. Another thing, you could do this all over the face, or one I like to do is just from my cheeks to my nose to my other cheek. That is the way that I always like to do it. But of course you can do it all over your face or wherever you want to do it. And again, you can do any color. If you're doing an avant-garde look or a more dramatic look, you could most certainly do it with colors or glitter. I think that would be so cute. So what I do is I just kind of call it dot and spin. That's what I do with my pencil. So I'm going to place my pencil and then I'm going to kind of spin the pencil. And it's going to leave a color. And again, if you sharpen your pencil, it's going to make that cream a little bit more intense. Now, if you sharpen it, what it is going to do is it's going to make that cream activate a little bit better. That way it will actually leave color when it contacts your skin. So again, I just dot and spin. And of course, these are going to look really janky at first. And they are going to be really dark. Now you can leave these dark and make them just look just as prominent as you want to. Or if you want to do like me, I am going to be using a beauty blender to just kind of dust some powder over them and kind of fade them away and make them look more natural. And of course I do like to go on the nose. I love to do my freckles on the nose. And I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but we are going to make them look a lot more natural than this. And then I'm going to kind of take them on the inner part of my nose, because anybody with natural freckles, of course, they are going to be right there in the little spots that you can't see either. So, of course, this is what it is going to look like at first. Now, if you got black hair, of course, you're going to use a darker shade than this. But you can always fade them out and make them look more natural. Now I'm going to take a beauty blender and kind of bounce some powder, translucent powder, matter of fact, on top of that, just to kind of blend them out, make them look a little bit more natural. Now I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Smooth Operator powder. Now this is the translucent powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit on to my beauty blender. You don't need a whole lot because it's not really a whole lot of product that you're trying to set. So we are just going to take our beauty blender and we are going to just bounce it over top of these spots. That simple, and now you got freckles, and it doesn't matter what look that you want to wear this with. You can do it with a very dramatic look, or you can do it with a very natural, one of those no makeup days. You could absolutely do this with that, and it just makes your skin look so beautiful and flawless, and it just looks like your skin. Now again, you can use powders if you want. Now if I was using a powder, I would use one more like this because it's more on the reddish brown side, and it's a lot better for my hair color. Or I would go in with a taupey brown. It doesn't matter. Whatever color you want to use, whether you're using powders or creams, eyeliners, lip liners, cream eyeliners, it doesn't matter. You can do them with any kind of product that you have, and they are really fun to wear, and they're really fun to do. So it doesn't matter what the makeup look is as long as you are having fun with it. And if y'all have any questions or anything below, and let me know what you want to see next. Any kind of DIY makeup things or anything like that, just let me know down below what you want to see, and that is most certainly what we will put out. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Talk family. We would love to have you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye guys.